regret. Peace is everyone coming together with the same ideas. Peace is all I want to do and all I want to hear. Peace is love and happiness, everything good you can imagine. And a peacemaker is someone who tries to make that happen. I am a peacemaker, yes I'm proud. I am a peacemaker, say it aloud. I do what I can to help who I can. Whenever someone needs me, I'm the like Superman. I bring Ubuntu with me everywhere I go. When offer drink is alcohol, I always say no. I am a role model, you have got to learn. I help in my community and the public are my concern. I love my family and I love my friends. When a conflict comes up, I try to make amends. I help in school, basically, everywhere I go. I speak, eat, and preach peace, and that's what you should know. So what is a peacemaker, you may ask? Just follow my lead and violence you will amass.